The day is finally here. The NEET PG results are out, and I know for a fact that your mind is racing. Whether you are feeling ecstatic, relieved, a little disappointed, or completely clueless, trust me, you are not alone. It's a storm of emotions, and the biggest question on everyone's mind is what now? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are answering the biggest question on everyone's mind. What now? We will split this into two parts to talk directly to two group of students. First, for those of you who have secured a fantastic rank and are likely to get one of your top choices. And second, for those who are at a crossroads, feeling confused about whether to take a drop, compromise on the branch, or prepare for what's next. Alright, let's start with group 1. If you have opened your result and your rank puts you in a comfortable position to get one of your top choices, first of all, from the bottom of my heart, a huge congratulations. Seriously, stop what you are doing. Why are you even watching this video? But चलो अब आ ही गए हो तो देख ही लो. You have done it. You have survived one of the toughest grinds out there. All those sleepless nights, the endless MCQs, all the sacrifices, it all paid off for you. You are finally out of this rat race. My single most important piece of advice for you right now is this: just celebrate and enjoy and live this moment. Go out with your family, catch up with friends, go watch that series. You deserve this break more than anyone. I know your mind is probably already jumping to the next set of questions. ब्रांच कैसे फाइनल करूं? Which college is better? DNB लूं या MD? MD मेडिसिन इस कॉलेज में या MD रेडियो इस कॉलेज में? I promise you, we will tackle every single one of these questions on this channel in the next few weeks. We will do a deep dive in the MD versus DNB debate, how to choose the best branch for you, whether to choose the branch or the college, and so much more. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. But for today, for this week, your only job is to be proud of yourself. The battle is won. Now go enjoy your peace. Now for the second group, and this is the group of people who I really want to talk to right now. This is for you if your rank isn't what you hoped for, and if you are unsure that you will get a seat or at least get a seat in a branch that you want to. If you feel like you have given it your all, you don't deserve this, and people who were apparently behind you got better ranks. मैं समझता हूँ भाई, and the point is तुम गलत भी नहीं हो. A very brutal truth is that those 3.5 hours decide everything. It hurts me when I see such hardworking people end up with ranks far from what they deserve, which includes some of my closest friends. But it is what it is. Me and you can't change it, however unfair it might feel right now. So it's completely okay to feel disappointed, to feel lost. Let yourself feel it, but don't let this feeling consume you. This might feel like the end, but this is just a pause. And I say this with utmost honesty. Now, there is not a straight answer to your future path right now. And this is a conversation that requires a lot of honesty and self-reflection. सबसे पहले तो ये जो अगले 2-3 दिन है, when your emotions are running high, कोई भी मेजर डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. Then once you have accepted the result, first of all, ask yourself this question: do you want to give it one more try? Do you have the mental and physical strength to do it? If yes, then you know what to do. Take a break for a few days, and then you are looking towards November INI as your target. For people जिनको लगता है कि बस यार मेरा हो गया, I completely understand that because I was feeling the same last year. But you need to know the answer to this question. जो branches तुम्हें मिल रही है, will you be happy in joining one of them. और इस क्वेश्चन को जितना ऑब्जेक्टिवली आंसर कर सकते हो उतना करो। भूल जाओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए था, जस्ट सी क्या मिल सकता है, एंड आउट ऑफ दोज इज देयर अ ब्रांच दैट टिक्स मोस्ट ऑफ योर बॉक्सेस, एंड इफ yes, then I say you go ahead with it. Personally, I am the kind of person who believes you should take the best option available to you right now and then kill it once you join. But if after very objectively analyzing कि जो ब्रांचेस तुम्हें मिल रही है उसमें से किसी में भी तुम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहोगे, तो यू नीड टू मेक अप योर माइंड फॉर अ ड्रॉप। क्या चेंज करना है स्ट्रैटेजी में, कैसे पढ़ाई चेंज करनी है, क्या रिसोर्स चेंज करने हैं, वो सब बातें बाद में करेंगे। फर्स्ट यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ऑल इन फॉर अनदर अटेम्प्ट, एंड फॉर पीपल who decides to give it one more try, I have something for you. I am starting this new interview series. Here I will share with you very honest and authentic stories of students who once like you were shattered by the result, but then they turned it around. My intention is to deliver relatable stories which gives you a sense of hope and positivity and makes you realize that this is not the end, because it isn't. I know a single video cannot answer all your different questions. I will do a Q&A on my Instagram, so make sure that you follow me there. Hopefully, I was able to guide you at least a little bit as to how to move forward right now. If still you have any doubts left, comment below or just drop me a message on my Instagram. I will try my level best to answer them. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram, because we have a lot of great videos coming up, all with the hope of making your journey a little bit easier and a little bit better. Until then, take care, be kind to yourself, and we will talk soon. Bye.